Have you ever tried getting a loan that you weren't approved for? Well, it's a really crappy feeling knowing that someone else has the power to say you can or cannot access capital. And this is the traditional finance system that I'm talking about. Traditional banks are the arbiters of loans, right? Generally, if you have a credit score that meets their standards, you meet certain income requirements, they'll give you an unsecured loan. Well, what if I told you that there was a better alternative with not only lower interest rates, but instant approvals on these loans? Well, this is called crypto loans. Now, crypto loans are a fascinating way to unlock liquidity and getting a loan right away for your cryptocurrency. Now, it's a really fascinating topic because now you're in control of getting your own loan just on holding cryptocurrency. So for example, if you're holding Bitcoin, you can get a loan on your Bitcoin easily with the projects that I'm about to show you who already have passed $1 billion in market cap. They have millions of users and people are giving themselves low interest rate loans. And I'm talking as low as 1% interest rate loans on their cryptocurrency. They're getting cash, they're getting stable coins, whatever you want to do with your cash after you get yourself a loan is up to you. But now you have the power to give yourself a loan in the cryptocurrency space. DeFi is just making it possible for anyone to get a loan without ever having to use a bank. I've given myself thousands of dollars worth of loans just from these two projects that I'm about to go over in this video. So if you want to give yourself a 1% loan on your cryptocurrency, then you're going to love this tutorial video. So by the end of this video, if you want to start getting cash for your cryptocurrency, then you can use these two projects that I'm about to go over and give yourself a crypto loan today. Now remember, this is not investment advice. This video was made for educational purposes only, so please do your own research when you're investing in cryptocurrencies and buying any sort of digital asset. Now, why would you want a cryptocurrency loan? Well, it's real simple actually. Let's just say, for example, you have about $10,000 in Bitcoin. Now, you want to buy other cryptocurrencies, but let's just say you don't want to sell your Bitcoin, right? You want to keep your Bitcoin because as the price appreciates, you don't want to miss out on that potential price appreciation. So what a crypto loan is it basically allows you to unlock liquidity by staking your Bitcoin as collateral, and then they'll give you cash for that Bitcoin, and you never have to sell your Bitcoin. You just have to use it as collateral for your own loan. And it's at that point, after staking your Bitcoin as collateral, you can now get cash directly to your bank account. You can get stable coins. You can get all these different types of loans that are available to you on these different types of loan platforms. And now you still have your $10,000 worth of Bitcoin. You never had to sell your Bitcoin. However, you were still able to get cash for your Bitcoin without selling and potentially buy other cryptocurrencies in the market right now. So that's a really cool thing because it allows you to get more wiggle room with your cryptocurrency without ever having to sell it. So this is one of the reasons why the crypto loans have really exploded, because it allows people to get liquidity for the crypto without ever having to sell it and missing out on those potential gains in the future. And best of all, I mean, the loans start at 1%. So imagine giving yourself a 1% loan. I mean, that's pretty fascinating. It's a whole revolutionary concept right now that's really disrupting the traditional banking system. The whole model for this is the decentralized finance. It's really taking finance into your own hands and becoming your own bank in the crypto space. All right, so the first crypto loan platform that we're going to check out today is called Celsius Network. So if you just go to celsius.network, you'll be able to see a really great project in the crypto loan space. Now, what I really like about Celsius is that they make it super easy for you to get low interest rate loans simply by providing your own crypto as collateral. So when you provide your crypto as collateral, Celsius's whole motto is basically unbank yourself. So you can now become your own bank, give yourself your own loans, and set your own interest rates. Now, when you think about how that just challenges the traditional loan market today, it's completely unheard of to give yourself a 1% interest rate on a loan. And it's a fully secured loan, so you'll have peace of mind knowing that you're able to get liquidity on your own crypto assets without ever having to sell them. So that's how this entire thing works. So if you're trying to get a loan in crypto, and if you're using Celsius, you don't even have to sell your cryptocurrency to get the loan. You simply just provide your cryptocurrency as collateral, and then boom, you'll be able to have your own loan, which usually only takes about 24 hours. And you can see the Celsius community already has over 1 million users, and all these users are earning up to 17% yield on their crypto. You can get paid on new coins every week and borrow cash at 1%. That's what I'm talking about when I'm saying getting a loan for 1%. Once you download the app, let's just say, for example, you have $10,000 in Bitcoin. Now, if you have $10,000 in Bitcoin, you just use the app, and let's say you want to get a $5,000 loan in cash. Well, you'll just stake a percentage of your Bitcoin as collateral, and then they'll hold on to it and then lend that money out to other institutional investors. So the way it works is really simple. Let's just say, for example, you have $10,000 in Bitcoin and you want a $5,000 loan. Well, through the Celsius app, you'll be able to say, I want a $5,000 loan. You can do it all within the app. And then Celsius will tell you, okay, to get this $5,000 loan, you need to pledge a percentage of your Bitcoin as collateral. So as soon as you pledge your Bitcoin as collateral, boom, within about 24 hours, you can get cash for your Bitcoin and you never have to sell your Bitcoin. So that's a really powerful feature for anyone who wants to get liquidity from their cryptocurrency that's just maybe running stagnant. And what's really cool about Celsius is that all the loans that they offer on cryptocurrency, and they provide liquidity to people who don't want to sell their crypto, but they still want to get cash with their crypto without having to sell it. If you just want to hold your crypto in their wallet, you'll also earn an APR. So you'll earn interest every single week. They pay out interest on a weekly basis, and you'll earn crypto simply by holding it in the wallet. Even if you don't want to get a loan at all for it, if you have your crypto in their wallet, you'll earn interest every week, and they'll pay you in that exact coin what your cryptocurrency is. They also have what's called a Celsius token, so you can also earn your interest in their Cel token, and you'll have the benefit of even earning more crypto through price appreciation. Now, when you're looking at the Celsius dashboard, you can see some of their pretty staggering stats. Right now, they have $21.8 billion in assets, 1 million users, 891 in yield and rewards that have been paid out since 2018. So they've already paid out almost $1 billion in commissions to people just holding their tokens in their wallet, and have an extremely large community of 109,000 users. Now, they've been featured basically in all the major publications, and what I really like about Celsius is this little feature right here that you can access from their homepage, and you'll be able to see exactly how much interest you'll earn on your Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. So let's just say, for example, we have some USDC, right? You just have a stable coin. I'll just leave that as is, 30,000. Let's just say you have $30,000 in a stable coin, and they're wanting to know, okay, over how long do you want to see how much interest you'll earn? You can do 5 years. I'll just keep that as default as 5 years to see. And here is where it's going to tell you how much commission you'll earn over those 5 years. So right now, USDC is paying out 8.88% on an APR. So that means over the course of 5 years, your $30,000 would be making you $16,709 in interest earned. So earning 16 grand in a period of 5 years simply by holding your stable coin in their wallet is absolutely crazy. I mean, that's amazing, which is pretty much why I think Celsius is one of the most popular loan platforms out there for cryptocurrency, simply because people are earning some amazing rewards on their cryptocurrency. And it's not just USDC, which is a stable coin that people are earning commission on. I mean, people can also check out, let's say you want to stake your Cardona, right? So if you're holding on to Cardona and you don't want to sell it, but you want to hold it and still earn commissions on that cryptocurrency over a period of 5 years, $30,000 in ADA Cardona would earn $6,000 in commissions, and they're paying out 4% APY on that specific cryptocurrency. Now remember, you're getting this commission every single week, right? This is even better than a monthly dividend in the traditional stock market, simply because you're earning interest on a weekly basis. So if you want to withdraw that cash on a weekly basis, you can easily do that within the app. So they have so many different cryptocurrencies for you to choose from. Aave, Comp, you name it. They have some amazing cryptocurrencies for you to choose from. So I recommend that you check this out, see which cryptocurrencies you currently want to hold on to and not sell. So these are your long-term cryptocurrencies, and see just how much interest you can earn just by holding your crypto in the Celsius app. Now, I've used Celsius to take out loans to earn interest, and I've earned thousands of dollars in interest on the Celsius app, which is why it was the first crypto project I'm going over right now as far as loans are concerned. Now, I've made thousands of dollars in interest interest just by using the Celsius app. And also I've given myself loans, which enabled me to buy even more cryptocurrency, because the loans, you can take them out as cash, but I chose to take out loans in stablecoin. So I took out a loan in DAI. I staked some of my Aave at the time, and I was able to get a 1% loan on my cryptocurrency. I was able to get a stablecoin, and then I was able to buy more cryptocurrency with that. So because I was able to unlock liquidity for my Aave, I never had to sell my Aave at all. I repaid the loan back, kept my Aave. My Aave appreciated in value, so my balance appreciated in my wallet, and I was also earning Aave in interest because they also pay interest on the Aave token. And I was able to buy another crypto token without ever having to sell my Aave. So to me, getting liquidity for your tokens without having to sell your cryptocurrency is a really powerful tool for all cryptocurrencies, because Celsius allows you to unlock liquidity without ever having to sell your cryptocurrency tokens. So you can keep the price appreciation of your current crypto and also give yourself a 1% loan and now buy other cryptocurrencies with that, maximizing your potential profits across the board on all your different cryptocurrencies. So if you want to start earning interest on your crypto, or you want to give yourself a 1% loan, I highly recommend you check out the Celsius app. They're just a phenomenal tool, and they make it just super easy for people to get involved in getting loans for their cryptocurrency and earning interest on their crypto. Now, another crypto loan project that I also love and use every single day is called Nexo. So if you go to nexo.io, they've also been around for years now, just like the Celsius app. And what's really cool about Nexo is that you actually get paid your interest on a daily basis. So they'll pay you interest in their Nexo token on a daily basis simply by holding your favorite cryptocurrencies in their wallet. And you can get APYs up to 12% and even more if you're holding more Nexo tokens. So they have a whole rewards program based on what type of user you are, and you get the most rewards as a platinum user. Now, when you download the Nexo app, it's super easy to set up your account. You do have to do KYC, of course, but after you do that, getting loans, they even offer a trading platform. So if you want to exchange cryptocurrencies, you don't even have to leave the Nexo app. You can buy other cryptocurrencies within their built-in exchange. So that's a really cool crypto feature that I really love about Nexo. Now, of course, whenever you're using a crypto app and you're getting loans for your cryptocurrency, you always want to make sure that your money is safe. And with Nexo, they already have $375 million in insurance for all their custodial assets. So if anything were to go wrong with the app and anything were to happen, Nexo would take responsibility and they would pay out your cryptocurrency to you in the event of any sort of major catastrophe. Now, one of the most powerful features about Nexo, again, that I've used personally, is the fact that they just make it extremely easy for you to get a loan for your cryptocurrency. Now, the interest rates are a little bit higher than Celsius. However, Celsius does have about a 24-hour approval rate, which can potentially be a lifetime in the cryptocurrency space. With Nexo, you can give yourself a loan instantly. And it's really cool too, because within the Nexo app, it'll actually tell you how much of a loan you can give yourself based on how much liquidity you have in your wallet. So if you have about $10,000 in USDC in your wallet, it'll say, okay, you can take out a $3,000 loan. You just click a button. You just say, okay, do you want it in cash? Do you want it in a stable coin? You just select the options of what you want to choose, and then boom, you'll have cash either delivered directly to your bank account, or if you want to get a stable coin, you'll get that stable coin immediately available for you to use within your Nexo wallet. So you can give yourself instant loans right on the spot. No one has to approve it. You just have to click on the get loan option, and that's basically it. You'll be able to give yourself an instant crypto loan at an extremely low interest rate. Now, what's really cool about Nexo is it's constantly fluctuating, because you can also stake your crypto and earn interest on your crypto in addition to getting loans on your crypto. Now, if you're just staking your Bitcoin, let's just say, for example, in your Nexo wallet, as the price of Bitcoin continues to rise, so does how much you can borrow. So your borrowing potential also increases because the value of your crypto increases. They determine the loan amount based on the value of your cryptocurrency. So if your cryptocurrency were to 10x, the amount you could potentially borrow will also 10x, simply because the price appreciation is also calculated in cryptocurrency, which I think just makes Nexo so powerful, because you're able to get more liquidity as the price appreciates for your particular cryptocurrencies. Now, I've used Nexo for years. I've never had any problems with Nexo. If I want a super low interest rate loan, like if if I want an immediate, fully secure loan on my cryptocurrency so I can get liquidity and purchase more crypto, I'll usually use Nexo because I can get that loan right away, and I'll repay back that loan as soon as I can. And you just pay an extremely low interest rate, and the interest that's paid on these loans is not debited from your bank account. It's actually debited from the value of your crypto. So they're debiting the cryptocurrency, so you never even have to touch your bank account when you're paying the interest. The interest is automatically taken out for you, so you don't even have to worry about repayments. All of this is automated for you. So if you want a loan, boom, they'll start taking out the interest payments automatically from your cryptocurrency. And if you just want to hold your crypto, they'll also pay you out daily in your wallet, so you never have to do any sort of process manually. Everything is automated from earning interest and from paying interest. So check out the Nexo wallet. It's a really fascinating wallet. They also have a credit card that's coming out, so you can get access to the Nexo credit card, which in my opinion is just going to be another fantastic tool that crypto users are going to have access to pay for crypto wherever they want. And for all the people who are living in Europe, you can also earn cryptocurrency in the Europe stable coin, which is EURX. So they offer so many different types of stable coins that you can earn interest on at a really high APR. I mean, they start at 12% APY, plus more bonuses are given to you if you're holding Nexo tokens. Now that's really cool because you can earn more Nexo simply by having Nexo in your wallet. So because of apps like Nexo, getting loans for your cryptocurrency has just never been easier at all. Their user interface is just extremely easy to use, and it just makes it a breeze for just about anybody to get a low interest rate loan on their crypto and also start earning interest on their cryptocurrency. And I mean, the reviews really speak for themselves. Right now they have over 10,000 5-star reviews. So that's a lot of people who are really loving this project. If you're looking to get interest on your cryptocurrency right now, check out Celsius, check out Nexo, and you can also pay yourself loans with Nexo and with Celsius. So check these types of projects out if you want to start getting some liquidity for your cryptocurrency and also start earning on your cryptocurrency. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found it resourceful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Now you can just see how powerful the crypto loan space is and all the amazing things you can do in the cryptocurrency space. Nexo and Celsius are some of the industry leaders in the crypto loan space, and why I've been using them for years. They've never let me down, and I've utilized loans, and I've also earned a lot of interest on these different apps, which is why I made this tutorial video, just to show others just how powerful things are happening right now in the crypto space, and just all the resources available to them, that if they are already holding cryptocurrency, they can now unlock liquidity for their crypto without ever having to sell it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all on the next one.